kind of sort of knew about our land timeline. What is that?
Well, they all asked him if he was in earnest, and he said he was, and nobody can think of nothing to say till Jim finally broke the ice himself. He said, "I've been selling canned goods, and now I'm canned goods myself."
Some coffee?
Yes,
No,
please.
no, thank you. We are fine.
It's quiet here.
Dead.